civil danger warning has been issued for the King County area. There have been multiple reports from police seeing a dark gray creature roaming the city, attacking and killing anyone it sees in its path. The creature is described as a young woman with light gray skin that gradually darkens at the head, forearms, and calves. Messy, black hair hanging past its chest. White, glowing pupils that appear to shine and black sclera, and a mouth that can open to impossible widths to reveal uneven, razor-sharp teeth. Civil authorities have been sent out to deal with this creature. Do not approach this creature or you will face certain death. However, if it breaks into your home, use lethal force by all means to protect yourself. This alert will remain in effect until the creature is apprehended or when a new alert is issued. Stay tuned for further updates.